Unlock your potential, stretching and workout for beginners at home. Welcome to our comprehensive guide for those starting their journey into fitness. This video will focus on stretching and simple workouts that you, a beginner, can comfortably perform at home. Before we dive in, it's important to remember the value of consistency. Don't get discouraged if it feels tough initially. As your body adapts, it will become easier. Your body is your ultimate tool, so let's learn how to use it effectively. First up is the warm-up. It prepares your body for exercise, increases your heart rate, and loosens your muscles. Try marching on the spot for 3 minutes. It's simple, yet effective. Now, let's get into stretching. The first stretch we'll introduce is the forward bend. It's excellent for your lower back and hamstrings. As you bend, ensure your knees are slightly bent to protect your back and enhance the stretch. Another great stretch is the chest opener. This one targets your chest and shoulder muscles. Remember, slow, steady movements are key. No rush, and always stay within your comfort zone. The last stretch we'll share today is the seated twist. It's perfect for your spine and abdominal muscles. Be sure to maintain an upright posture throughout the stretch for maximum benefits. Let's transition into our workouts. The first exercise is the classic jumping jacks. They are great for cardiovascular fitness and toning your whole body. Start off with a set of 30 and gradually increase as you get more comfortable. The next exercise is squats. Squats work your legs and core muscles. Always keep your knees in line with your feet and your back straight to avoid injuries and get the most out of your squats. Finally, we have push-ups. They work your chest, shoulder, and core muscles. Start on your knees if a full push-up is challenging. Remember, form over number, always. Let's not forget the cool-down. Just like the warm-up, it's essential. It helps bring your heart rate back to normal and reduce muscle soreness. A slow walk or marching on the spot for 3 minutes should suffice. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the key to fitness is consistency. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see progress in no time. Let's embark on this fitness journey together, one stretch, one workout at a time.